Want to learn how to track ad performance in Vendasta? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how to measure and optimize your campaigns with this powerful software. You're not going to want to miss this if you're serious about improving your ad performance. Before we dive into the steps, here's something special for you. You can try Vendasta completely free using the first link in the description below, and even get access to some exclusive bonuses that'll take your experience to the next level. So stay tuned for that. Now, let's break down how to track ad performance in Vendasta. First thing, once you log into Vendasta, head over to the Marketing dashboard. This is where all your ad campaigns live, and from here, you'll be able to see the performance of each campaign. You'll get a quick overview of your active ads and key metrics such as clicks, impressions, and conversion rates. Next thing, you'll want to click on the specific campaign you're interested in. This will open up the detailed performance report for that campaign. Here, you'll find a lot more granular data, like how many people are engaging with your ad and which demographics are interacting the most. This is where you can really dig into the numbers to see what's working and what's not. The third thing you'll want to do is utilize the Analytics tab. This is where Vendasta really stands out because it allows you to track ROI in real time. You'll see things like cost per click, CPC, cost per conversion, and total spend, everything you need to evaluate if your ad budget is being well spent. These metrics will give you a better sense of which ads are truly delivering results. The fourth thing is setting up custom tracking. Vendasta allows you to track your campaigns with custom UTM parameters, which you can integrate with Google Analytics or other tracking software. This gives you even more insight into the specific performance of your ad campaigns, especially if you're running multiple campaigns at once. Next, keep an eye on your Trends section. This will show you how your ads are performing over time. You'll be able to spot patterns and decide if you need to tweak any of your ads or targeting to get better results. The Trends view makes it easy to see both high-performing and underperforming ads at a glance. Finally, once you've gathered all this data, it's time to take action. Vendasta makes it easy to make adjustments to your ad targeting, budget, and creative elements directly from the platform. If you notice an ad isn't performing well, you can quickly make the necessary changes without having to navigate multiple screens. So, there you have it, how to track ad performance in Vendasta. Remember, you can use Vendasta for free by clicking the link below and start tracking your ad performance like a pro today. Don't forget, the link gives you an exclusive extended trial and some cool bonuses. If you want to dive deeper into the world of ad optimization with Vendasta, or if you're curious about more features, make sure to check out the resources linked below. Thanks for watching!